What's up, guys? Welcome back to the journey. Always remember, the journey is more important than the destination. Where you're going is not how you get to where you're going is more important than where you're going. The process is far more important than the product. The journey is more important than and how you get to where you. Yeah. All right, guys, we got this door here. I repaired it. Looks pretty good. You know me, I don't always see something extra, so I put some paint on it, and now we're gonna clear it. Yeah, I don't know what year this is, but this thing is nice. This thing nice. It's a Hyundai something. It's nice though. We doing the door. It's real nice. She said she was inside someplace, and some people got in a fight and they landed on her car. So she got this dent right here. And when she sent me the picture, this is what we seen. But she got a dent here too. So I told her I'm gonna see. It don't look difficult, but I told her I'm gonna see what I'm able to do.
Wherever he laid his hat was his home.
They'll put waves on the tracks.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit hoe.
Mama just hung her head and said, son.
I'm leaving Napa. They mixed me up some more paint for the free ski. Shout out to them, man. They always look out. It don't look bad here, but it's definitely darker. That color is darker. So this color is called Biophilic Blue. That's the name of the color. That's this color. This is the blue. Yeah, I didn't know it was blue either. Just put the color from here to here, and that way it blends into the rest of the car, and then we'll clear everything this way. This is the blend. I had a customer ask me to blend the car, and they thought it was the clear. No, clear has nothing to do with the blend. The blend is all color. So you blend into the adjacent panels so that the color transitions into the regular paint. Cause you see ain't no paint over here. So all this has no paint on it. Same thing over here. Like there's no paint over here. So all this is regular paint. But our blend comes out to here and it fades.
They'll put waves on the tracks.
It ain't hit house.